When you first log into Simba chain, you create an organization. I'm going to call it Simba. Once you've got an organization, you can go ahead and create an application. Now, an application, you give a name, so I'm going to call it a car app, and I'm going to associate it with Simba organization. Create, and now we have an app. It doesn't do anything yet. We haven't configured it. And what you can do is you can add groups to an app. So I'm going to create a dev key group and associate with the application. And then you can also add members. So I'm going to add myself to the dev key group. So let's go in and take a look at the application itself. So you basically have 4 items to select. You choose your blockchain. I've chosen Ethereum there. We're just about to release Hyperledger Fabric also, a network that you want to deploy it to. So I've chose Rinkeby, Ethereum test network. And then a file system, I'm going to choose IPFS. Now what this does, it configures a file system that's used alongside the blockchain. Basically any file you attach to a transaction or an asset is put into the file system. All of the data you send to the smart contract goes to the blockchain. So here, this has a registered car, it has a VIN, make, model, and a bundle hash. So the bundle hash creates a hash of all of the documents you want to attach with your registered car method. So I'm going to use this boiler template method to register a car and do some transactions on it. And I'm going to call the app a car demo and deploy it. Each app basically generates a API automatically for the particular smart contract. So I'm going into car demo here. This is the Swagger documentation, and you can see that there are post methods for registering car, for car sale bundle hash, and accident report in this API. You can develop your HTML5 application right against this API. And the other thing is, if you go into call here, you can basically make an invocation using your smart contract. So I'm going to select an image, and I'm going to register Ford. So I'm going to upload this picture here, and that gives me a bundle hash that's calling the smart contract on the Rinkeby network. Transactions were made. Looking at those transactions, let's look at the last transaction and get the bundle. See the image that we stored on the blockchain. Van